Affordable comfort at Hotel Premiere Classe Melun Senart, Vert Saint Denis. Located in the charming town of Vert Saint Denis, France, Hotel Premiere Classe Melun Senart, Vert Saint Denis offers affordable comfort and convenience for both business and leisure travelers. With its 70 well-appointed rooms, this one-star hotel provides a cozy and welcoming atmosphere for guests to relax and unwind. Check-in at Hotel Premiere Classe Melun Senart, Vert Saint Denis begins from 12 p.m., allowing guests ample time to settle in and start their stay. The friendly and attentive staff are always ready to assist with any inquiries or requests, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. Checkout time is until 12 p.m., giving guests the opportunity to enjoy a leisurely morning before departing. Please note that Hotel Premiere Classe Melun Senart, Vert Saint Denis has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be additional charges involved. It is advisable to check with the hotel directly for more information regarding the child policy and any potential fees. Whether you are traveling for business or leisure, Hotel Premiere Classe Melun Senart, Vert Saint Denis provides a comfortable and affordable accommodation option in Vert Saint Denis, France. With its convenient location, friendly staff, and well-appointed rooms, this hotel is the perfect choice for travelers seeking a relaxing and enjoyable stay. Unwind and enjoy at Hotel Premiere Classe Melun Senart, Vert Saint Denis. Hotel Premiere Classe Melun Senart, Vert Saint Denis offers a range of entertainment facilities to ensure a delightful and memorable stay for its guests. Whether you're looking to relax with a refreshing drink or soak in the natural beauty of the surroundings, this hotel has got you covered. The hotel features a cozy and inviting bar where you can unwind after a long day of exploring the city. Sip on a handcrafted cocktail or enjoy a glass of wine as you socialize with fellow travelers or catch up on your favorite sports events on the large flat-screen TVs. The bar offers a relaxed ambience and friendly service, making it the perfect spot to kick back and relax. In addition to the bar, Hotel Premiere Classe Melun Senart, Vert Saint Denis boasts a beautiful garden area. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Take a leisurely stroll among the lush greenery, breathe in the fresh air, and let the peaceful surroundings rejuvenate your senses. The garden is also an ideal place to enjoy a picnic or simply sit back and read a book while basking in the sunshine.